Hey coders, welcome to the Python programming quiz. Let's dive in. Question 1. What is the output of the following code? Question 2. What is the result of the following expression? Question 3. Which of the following is used to open a file in a read mode? Which of the following is used to open a file in read mode? What is the output of Which of the following is true about Python's global interpreter lock GIL? What does the else clause in a try block execute when an expression is raised? What will Which of the following is used to create a shallow copy of a list? Which of the following is used to create a shallow copy of a list? What is the output of the following code? What is the purpose of the finally block in a try except statement? What is the purpose of the super function in Python? Which of the following is not a valid way to comment a single line in Python? What is the result of Which of the following is a correct way to check if a key is present in a dictionary? What is the output of the following code? How do you create a generator in Python? How much did you score? Let us know in the comment section below.